So today I drove over to Evergreen Cemetery, got a special little treat for you. I rode the Depot Park Connector Trail from Evergreen Cemetery to Depot Park. Made a wrong turn at a fork along the way, had to turn around, but this is my first time using the action setting on my iPhone 14 video recorder, which is supposed to be almost as good as a GoPro, so we'll see. Okay, we've crossed the street from Evergreen Cemetery and we are leaving in the direction of Depot Park. And this trail that I'm on is the Depot Park Connector, which connects from Depot Park all the way down to the Gainesville-Hawthorne Trail if you were going the opposite direction of where I'm going now. And the Gainesville-Hawthorne Trail is a 16-mile trail that goes all the way from Gainesville to Hawthorne via Rochelle, which is a town halfway there pretty much, maybe a little further. And this trail is fully paved, and this part of the trail doesn't have an equestrian trail, but if you go down to where the Gainesville-Hawthorne Trail starts, an equestrian trail sets up down there and goes all the way the east towards Hawthorne. Up ahead here, we are going to have the crossing of Williston Avenue, or Williston Road, and from there we head towards Depot Park. This is a well-marked crosswalk, but you got to be really careful here because traffic goes 45 miles an hour. Gonna cross a neat bridge here. Pretty cool. Looks well made. And now it looks like we're gonna cross Southeast 4th Street. If anybody knows what these weird structures are that got graffiti on them in art, leave a comment below. Got another crossing coming up here. Not sure how to pronounce this. I think it's Veitch Street. Veitch Street. Anyway, heading towards more crossings. As I come to the end here, I start to realize that I think I missed a fork in the trail. And I know that this is not Depot Park here and that I've gone alongside it to another direction. So we're going to turn around. I'm really liking the quality of this camera and the action mode that I'm using. It's quite stable considering that it's standing in for a GoPro, which saves me a ton of money. At my stage of creativity, I don't need to spend that kind of money now that I've got this. I eventually may upgrade, but I'm enjoying this. This is fun. So thank you for watching. Here we go. I did not see that going the other direction. Okay, we were crossing Veitch Street again, and after this crossing here, we enter Depot Park. Depot Park is a nifty park on the south side of Gainesville. It has a lot of trail going around it, and it's not that big though, but it has a bike shop actually at the northeast corner of the park, and some like snacks. I think there's a store there last I checked online, and some other things. So you see a lot of people kind of hanging out around here. It's pretty nice. So actually there is an alarm blaring in the park right now. We actually have a thunderstorm closing in. You wouldn't believe it by looking at the sky from the vantage point we've been riding, but there's a storm coming and I have to make my way back to my car very quickly.
Attention guests. Due to lightning nearby, the players area is now closed. Please seek shelter. Due to lightning nearby, the players area is now closed. Please seek shelter. Attention guests. Due to lightning nearby, the players area is now closed. Please seek shelter. Due to lightning nearby, the players area is now closed. Please seek shelter.